7:09 now. We've seen a lot of foggy days so far this month, including another one here this morning. Meteorologist Amy Aronson is live from Towson with our Chevy storm tracker with more on the foggy start to yet another week, Amy.
Yeah, exactly, Patrice. We're here with the Chevy Weather Authority Storm Tracker, and you can see the mist coming down. I don't know if you can see it on the vehicle, but there's a little bit of mist accumulating on it. So another misty, foggy morning. You can see that dark and early here this morning. This is in wake of what was a very damp, dreary, and much cooler finish to the weekend. But already this morning, we can feel a slight change in that temperature, and that's exactly why we're seeing fog, some milder air starting to gradually work its way in, and that's going to bring us changes for the week ahead. Now, I wanted to take a look at current conditions to show you exactly why we are seeing the fog. Take note of the temperature. The temperature right at 47.6 degrees. The dew point also at 47.6 degrees. That puts our relative humidity at 100%. So air completely saturated right now, and that's exactly why we are seeing the fog. So now let's take a look at what's coming later this week. We're actually below normal in rain for the month of October, but it looks like we have a chance to near normal levels by the end of the week because we are tracking a whole lot of rain. This is from the Weather Prediction Center. This shows future rainfall amounts. Notice here in Maryland, we're in that bright purple-ish color. That puts us anywhere between 1.5 to 2 inches of rain by the end of the week. And if you notice where the heavier amounts are coming from, it's coming actually from the tropics. And that has to do with what we are tracking Zeta there now. So we're not only tracking a weather maker moving in later this week, we're also tracking Zeta. That would be Thursday to Friday. We could potentially see some heavy rainfall from that, and that could actually bring our rainfall totals closer to normal for the month. Now, coming up in just about 20 minutes, we should brighten things up here, and we should actually be able to see the trees around us. We're going to take a look at our fall foliage, and I've got an update on where we are on that. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Amy. A Baltimore